Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home cleaning with a comprehensive review of the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum. If you're looking for a reliable cleaning companion that tackles pet hair, works on various floor types, and integrates seamlessly with your smart home, then stick around. Let's find out if the Roomba 694 is the right fit for you. The iRobot Roomba 694 is designed with convenience in mind. One of its standout features is its Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control it remotely via the iRobot Home app. Whether you're at work or running errands, you can schedule cleanings, check the cleaning status, and even receive personalized cleaning recommendations tailored to your home. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Roomba 694 excels at picking up pet hair, dirt, and debris. Its dual multi-surface brushes and powerful suction ensure that it effectively cleans both carpets and hard floors. I was particularly impressed by how well it navigates around furniture and avoids obstacles, making it ideal for homes with pets or children. Alexa compatibility for those who enjoy voice control. The Roomba 694 works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa. You can start, stop, or dock your vacuum with simple voice commands, making cleaning even more effortless. Just imagine saying, "Alexa, start cleaning," and watching it get to work. Self-charging feature. Another great feature is its self-charging capability. When the battery runs low, the Roomba 694 automatically returns to its charging dock. This means you don't have to worry about manually docking it after every cleaning session. User-friendly experience. Setting up the Roomba 694 is a breeze. Out of the box, you can have it running in just a few minutes. The intuitive app interface makes it easy to customize your cleaning preferences, and you can even set it to clean specific rooms or areas of your home. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a convenient and efficient cleaning solution. With its advanced features, excellent cleaning performance, and compatibility with smart home devices, it's worth considering for your home. Thanks for watching our review of the iRobot Roomba 694. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and smart home tips. Have you tried the Roomba 694? Share your experience in the comments below. Happy cleaning, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.